Good morning, guys. Welcome to Science. Keeping people safe. This is our topic. Look at this gift, this little animation that we have here. It has a question. Did you know after an earthquake, you should expect aftershocks and beware of secondary hazards, such as floods, landslides, and tsunamis. Are you prepared for that? Yeah, I notice it, but please don't interrupt me when I am reading. I let you in. So I noticed you were not in class. Yeah, but well, in our case, we don't live close to the ocean. So we never gonna have a tsunami here in Tegucigalpa. At least the complete country is covered with water. But that would be a disaster. Yeah. Not only
in this country there are not earthquakes because here in this country is a country that have a lot of mountains.
Okay. Keeping people safe. You are watching television and you hear an alarm beep. You look to the bottom of the screen and notice a line moving across. It reads, tornado watch in effect for Orange County. A watch is issued by the National Weather Service when weather conditions are right for producing severe weather. For example, a tornado watch is issued for conditions are such that a tornado may form. The National Weather Service also issues warnings when certain weather conditions are spotted. So that someone in a meteorologist is observing the sky and it's observing the movements of the clouds and the speed of the wind. So that person can make a prediction. Why? Because that person is an expert in weather. If I am an expert chef and I am observing, for example, the amount of ingredients or the amount of salt you are adding to the food, so I can make a prediction. And I say, that food is gonna be salty. She's adding a lot of condiment, a lot of salt. So I can make that prediction because I am an expert in the kitchen. So the same happened with a meteorologist. He is an expert in weather and climate. He can make a prediction just by observing the conditions of the weather at the moment. When the National Weather Service also issues warning when certain weather conditions are spotted. For example, when severe thunder, lightning, and rain are spotted, the National Weather Service might issue a thunderstorm warning. Other warnings include hurricane, tornado, flash flood, and winter storm warnings. When a storm warning is issued, it means that people should take precautions to keep safe. For example, if a tornado such as the one in the picture, this one, go to a basement, one in the picture above this picture is sighted, o sea, alguien lo mira, el tornado that is coming close to your area, you should go to a basement or store cellar. Remember that a basement is an underground room. If you don't have a basement or a storm cellar, go to an inside room without windows, such as a closet or hallway or un pasillo inside your house, okay? A hallway are two walls, son dos paredes and has no windows. If a hurricane warning is issued, prepare to leave the area. Listen to your local TV and radio stations. Follow your family's emergency plan. Board up doors and windows. Board up es cúbralas con madera, play with, Okay, so the wind is not going to destroy the glass in the window. When told to leave the area, leave early and in daylight if possible. Shut off water, gas, and electricity. Take an emergency supply kit and medicines. Drive to the nearest shelter. Hurricanes such as the one in the picture, this one, such as the one in the picture, on page C30, can cause much damage. Flash floods sometimes happen during hurricane or heavy thunderstorm. To keep safe during a flash flood, stay away from all moving water, such as rivers and creeks. If you are near the river, try to move to higher ground, such as a hill. Thunderstorm also might bring lightning. To keep safe from lightning, stay away from tall trees. And this is a very common mistake we used to make. When it is raining a lot, we try to cover ourselves under a tree. But if the rain has lightnings, tiene rayos, stay away from the tree. Being under the tree is not a good idea. Okay, stay away from trees, tall trees. Stay inside a car with a metal roof or go inside a building. If you are indoors, está dentro de any place, don't touch electrical appliances or use a telephone. And don't take a bath or a shower. When a winter storm warning is issued, be sure to have food, candles, and medicine on hand. You should stay indoors during a winter storm. Dentro, indoors, okay? Dentro de a place, inside a place, in order to be safe. Okay, now, let's listen to a video related with this topic. Let's copy some questions about the topic. Number 1, what are some types of severe weather? Severe weather. What are some types of severe weather?
Earthquake.
Weather, but earthquake is not related with weather. That's a natural, it's another kind of natural phenomenon.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm, yeah.
Snowstorm.
Yeah, blizzard could be.
Rain.
Tornado. Hurricane. Flood. Oh, an earthquake. Sorry, Santiago. It is included. Thunderstorm. Snowstorm. 6 different types of severe weather. You can add something here like a label here. Or a check. You can write a check. You can make a check here. Check. Check. Because this one is a list. So you can include a check, check, check. Or a line, a slash. Number 2, what should people do when a storm warning is issued? Why should people do? What?
They need to
José Enrique.
they need to be prepared.
Mire, ahí usted corre a la cámara. Usted está en algo más. And these situations is happening through all the classes. Santiago, sorry.
Yeah, they need to be prepared if it will happen anything. They need to have the necessary for survive.
What necessary things do we need to have in order to survive?
A list.
A
List.
What is that?
Medicine.
Medicine. Okay, medicine. What else?
Food.
Okay, food. And what else?
Candle.
Okay, yes. People should take precaution to keep safe. In a warning, what should people do if a tornado is issued? People should go to the basement or storm cellar. What are some of the things you should do to stay safe during a natural disaster? Have a plan, prepare an emergency supply kit, have a list with emergency number. Okay, you have a list with emergency number. So you have three things you can do about. You can prepare with for a natural disaster. But remember, but we never know when a natural disaster is going to happen. We don't know. That's why we have to be prepared, because we don't know when it's going to happen. Okay, so thank you for your attention, guys.